Hello friends, I'm going to tell you about another example in which we see that how is it applicable in the interpolation form. So सबसे पहले चलिए क्वेश्चन को देख लेते हैं जो कि इस वीडियो में डिस्कस होने वाला है. फाइंड द एरिया ए ऑफ द सर्कल ऑफ डायमीटर डे is given for the following values. D given 80 है, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. हम लोग को निकालना है calculate the area of the circle diameter 105 and there is 1026 5674 6362 7088 7854. तो ये तो गिवन डाटा है. तो चलिए सबसे पहले हम इस गिवन डाटा के बेसिस पे एक्स और एक्स नॉट को चूज करेंगे. तो चूँकि हमारा जो एक्स जो गिवन है जिस पर निकालना है 105 है जो कि एट द लास्ट है यानी कि बॉटम पे है, नीचे पर है, 100 के पास में है. तो हम यहाँ पे यूज़ करने वाले हैं न्यूटन्स बैकवर्ड फार्मूला. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे x जो है x इक्वल टू एक्स नॉट प्लस पी इंटू एच करेंगे. सबसे पहले h निकाल लेते हैं. h जो हो जाएगा 85 माइनस 80 इक्वल्स टू 5 है एंड यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू जो है 105, x नॉट यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 100, p इंटू एच इक्वल्स टू 5 इंटू पी. ये हो जाएगा p इक्वल्स टू यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 5 डिवाइड 5 इक्वल्स टू p इक्वल्स टू 1 हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा p की वैल्यू मिल गई. चलिए अब नेक्स्ट चलते हैं. p और h की भी वैल्यू मिल चुकी है. चलिए अब टेबल को फॉर्म करते हैं. ये d हो गया, ये हो गया, जो कि इसकी हमारे लिए x है, ये y है. ओके. और 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. ये हो जाएगा 5026 5674 6362 7088 and 7854. चलिए कैलकुलेटर को यूज़ से इसके लिए इसका del 1 del 2 del 3 del 4 जो भी है उसको हम लोग निकालेंगे. सबसे फर्स्टली जो है तो ये हो जाएगा 5674 माइनस 5026 026 इक्वल्स हो रहा है यहाँ पे 658 एंड 6362 माइनस 5674 इक्वल्स टू 688 एंड 788 minus 6362 equals to 726. Then 7854 minus 7088, that will be equals to 766. Then for del x square same as it is, जैसा हो रहा है वैसे सेम करेंगे. Then 688 minus 648 equals to 40 and 726 minus 688 equals to 38 and 766 minus 726 equals to 40. Okay. Same for the del q, that is equals to minus 2 and here it is 2. 2 plus 2 equals to, here it will be 4 for the del 4. Since we are going to use the Newton's backward formula, here it is our y naught and here it is x naught. So firstly what we are going to do is we are going to put 1 in between the all inside the one section, and then firstly we are going to put is y naught, y minus 1, y minus 2 and y minus 3 and y minus 4. So since we are getting y minus 4, we are going to put here 9 plus 4 c1, 9 plus 3 c1, 9 plus 2 c1, 9 plus 1 c1 and here it is 9c1, and I mean nc1. It's not n, it's 9, it's nc1. And then here it is again, we are going to use n plus 4c2. Here it is n plus 4c3 and n plus 4c4. Same as it is, we are going to go down. So it is n plus 3c2, n plus 2c2 and n plus 1c2. Again n plus 3c3, n plus 2c3, and here it is n plus 3c4. Since we are going from bottom to top, we are going to use this one. Okay, so after going from each step to another step on the higher, towards the higher, we're going to use this form. After going to this, we will just add this one, and we are going to multiply this both section 766 into 9c1, then adding, and then n plus 1c1 c2 and multiply with the 40. So we are going to see that what is our formula. So without remembering our formula, we can also use it directly from the table formation as well. So we are going to see the what is our formula. So it is y 105 equals to y naught plus n c1 into 766 plus n plus 1 c2 into 40 plus n plus 2 c3 into 2 plus n plus 3 c4 into 4. It is our final formula. Just we need to find out the nc1, n plus 1 c2, n plus 2 c3 and n plus 3 c4. So for it, we are going to see it on the rough paper. So here it is. Firstly, we are going to see 9 nc1. So for the nc1, we are going to see what is n. N is equals to, we see that p is equals to also n. We also need to remember that n is equals to p here. So p is equals to 1, so nc1 will be just 1. So 1 into 766 will be equals to 766, and y naught is here 7854. We will add this one, and next we need to find out the n plus 1 c2. So what is the n here? N is equals to 1 plus 1, so n, so 1 plus 1 is 2 c2. So we know that when the both n with his nc2 both are equal, the upper form and the downward form are equal, then it will be 1. So we can also find it out through our calculator. So first we will 2 and shift AC divided from C and 2, we will get 1. So it is it will be 1 into 40, and same for everyone. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 c3 will be also 1 into 2 is equals to 2, and the 4 n plus 3 c4 will also get 1 into c4. So here it is, we get 4. Now we need to add all these forms, so we will get our required answer, that is 7854 plus 766 plus 40 plus 2 plus 4, which is equals to 8666. That is 8666. It is our required answer we get for y 105. And since we know that, so what is the formula for the area? Since area equals to pi d square, pi r square, here r is equals to d, so we are using pi d square. So when we will use this 3.14 into d square, what is the d? D is equals to 105 square. So using the calculator, we're going to see that. So firstly 3.14 into 105 whole square will get, what is going to get, force, it is something about what is it, sorry, we need to just divide by 4, since we know that r is the radius, here it is d square. D square is the diameter. When divide the diameter by 2, we will get the radius. So we use 4 here. So after evaluating, we are going to divide it by 4. So we are going to do this, divide by 4. What we are going to get, see this one, 5654, which is just approximate about 8666. So we are getting 8654.625. Since we need to check what is the exact value for pi we are going to use. If you are going to use another form of the pi, as 22/7 or other form, we'll get the other values. So it was all about finding the area for the given value. So thank you for the other form in which we will see that what we are getting. So if we are going to use 22/7 on the value of the pi, what we are going to see. So see here, we are going to 105 whole square and divide by 4. See here, 105 into 105 equals to, we are going to see 11025, and when you multiply by 22, going to see this, and when divide by 28, we are getting 8662. That is 8662.5. That is both value have some different forms, but the both of these are just approximate to 866. So it is our final answer. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Let's see you again in the next video. Thanks.